This container house is ingeniously crafted using two 20-foot containers to create an L-shaped design. Taking inspiration from a glass house, the elevated space beneath the container forms a spacious living room, expanding the interior area to a generous 36 square meters. The minimalist style exudes a youthful and stylish vibe with its clean and simple details. The predominant use of pale gray and wooden colors fosters a calm, chill, and cozy atmosphere. Positioned directly in front of the dining table, a window offers convenient access for passing dishes from the kitchen to the deck, perfect for enjoying outdoor dining fun. The incorporation of a barn door not only amplifies the bathroom space but also accommodates the installation of a washing machine. Adorned with small monochrome tiles, the bathroom exudes a charming and eclectic aesthetic. A strategically placed cabinet adjacent to the dining area provides ample storage for kitchen appliances, ensuring a fully functional and well-equipped cooking space. The storage underneath the stairs offers plentiful room to stow various household items. Sitting atop the container, the balcony cleverly extends the living space, providing an idyllic spot for relaxation, reading, or basking in the sunlight, and the awning makes it even more comfortable. This illustrated wall cloth behind the bed creates a unique and artistic statement. The two generously sized wardrobes offer ample storage for two occupants, while the specially shaped thin shelf and the floor-to-ceiling mirror in the corridor add functional and decorative elements, making the space intriguing and dynamic. The incorporation of a folding door seamlessly connects the living room with the deck, creating an inviting and spacious atmosphere. The deck, an essential addition to a compact dwelling, serves as an extension of the living and dining areas, providing a tranquil sanctuary to connect with nature and unwind.